Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add a size chart on your Shopify store. This will make it easier for your customers to order the right size of whatever it is they're ordering, be it clothing, shoes, accessories. So let's jump straight in. We want to go over to the left-hand side and tap on Online Store. From here, you want to go down 2 pages. All right. Now what we're going to do is we have to create a new page. Alright, so over on the top right hand side, you're going to tap on add page. And the reason we're adding this page is because we want our size chart to be a page that we can add on to our individual products. So over here, we're going to go size chart. This is the page. And in the content, we're going to go ahead, right? And we can design our own table, our own size chart, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go and use the generative AI. So in over here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put in some text. You can say generate an HTML table of a size chart in inches for a t-shirt with a chest and length measurements. Now, this also can be altered. So if it's not for a t-shirt, if it's for something else, you can just add that in there. You can also change the unit of measurements that you're using. And what you want to do here is just tap on generate. Now what it will do is it'll generate a table for you with all your size details in there. Okay, as you can see that, we're going to tap on keep and it'll just be inserted here. Now this table is completely customizable. So you can go ahead now and you can change the size. You can also change the chest and the length. All right, so you can completely customize this. The next thing you want to do is click on just outside the table and tap enter so that you can create a line break. What we want to do also is we want to insert an image of the size chart so that you can see where the chest is measured and how the length is measured. So we're going to go over here, this icon that says insert image, and you can go ahead and tap add image. Now you'll need to have this image already on your device. Okay, so you can actually put it onto your Shopify store. So I've already got one. It's this one just over here. And I'm going to just click on that, select it and say done. Now you can see over here, I have the size chart. It shows the chest, the width, as well as the length. I've also got that table that we inserted. And once we're done here, of course, we can customize everything in here, including the text style. But we're going to go ahead over to the top right and tap on save. Now that's the first part. Now we've created a page that is a size chart. The next thing we need to do is implement it to our individual products. So we're going to go over to themes on the left-hand side. And to the right, we're going to tap on customize. Now, this is your web store or your storefront builder. All right. The next thing we need to do is go up to the top where it says homepage. We're going to click on this. Okay. And we're going to go to products. And once this dialog opens, we're going to tap on create template. Now, what we're going to do here is we need to create a template whereas we can implement our size chart. So again, we're going to just say size chart. We are going to base it on our default product. We're going to say create template. That is fantastic. Now from here, we're going to go ahead back into this menu. We're going to tap on products and here we're going to search for our product. Okay, so we're looking for our t-shirt and we're going to tap on that. Now you can see this is what it looks like. This is the product. It's a t-shirt. There's a price and so forth. All the details are here. Now, what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, we're going to look for the template section just over here. And over here, we're going to add a block. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either create a pop-up, which means when you tap on the button, the size chart will pop up and fill the screen, or we can do a collapsible row, which means it'll just open up in this area on a more smaller scale. I want to do the pop-up. So let's select pop-up. And in the pop-up, right, we're going to go ahead and we can create this pop-up. So here's the pop-up link. Let's go ahead and click on it. And you can see now on the left-hand side, you have some options and it says page. We're going to go ahead and tap on select page. And earlier on, we created a page called size chart. We're going to click on that. We're going to go down and say select. And we can now also change that link label. Let us make that again size chart. We can just spell that correctly. That would really help. And you can see now that it says size chart down over here. Now, the next thing we can do is just use this back arrow, and here is our size chart. And if you put your mouse cursor over those little dots on the left, you can click down and you can move the size chart as to where you want to position it. Okay, let's put it just above our pricing. I think that is a fair place to put it. So as you can see, as you are viewing your product, you can see t-shirt, picture, there's your size chart and your pricing. Now what's going to happen is once you save this, all right, we're going to go back out of here. You can use the exit button on the top left hand side, and where it says online store, you can just click on the little eyeball. It's the option to view your online store. Now the thing is, this may take a few seconds to actually update, but if you scroll and look for your actual image of your product, then if we go ahead and we click on that size chart, it'll pop up with that size chart table that we built, as well as our image. Now, of course, again, you can customize this, but the fundamentals will stay the same. You will be able to insert any type of table, any type of image to reference the sizing on your product. Now, if this was a helpful guide, please do show your support. Leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel. This will allow us to continue to make awesome content. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace.